Recently, I went to cut my hair to the hair salon, and you know what the hairdresser told me? She told me that now, because I cut my hair, they're gonna grow faster and thicker. I sincerely hope that she's the last person on earth who still believes that. But if you still believe that, I hate to break it to you that it couldn't be further from the truth. One of the best natural methods to grow your hair quicker and fuller is to massage and oil your scalp. Now you can choose and mix the oils, the ones you want to use. You can either choose to massage your scalp with fingers, with a silicone brush, or a special device for that. It has a built-in oil applicator which you can remove and use without oil just to massage your scalp. Or you can choose with oil, turn it on. And today I'm going to use it without oil, and I'm going to show you just how satisfying it is. I love it.